Hey guys, so I'm going to tell you the best and the fastest way to pre-order the iPhone XS and the XS Max. Now, if you want the iPhone XR, then you need to wait until October 19th. But for the iPhone XS, the XS Max, you can pre-order them tonight. Now, the time for pre-ordering is at midnight Pacific time and 3 a.m. for Eastern Standard Time. So yeah guys, gonna have to wake up pretty early for it. But at least in the meantime, there's a lot you can do first. Now, I would definitely say do not pre-order this from anywhere except for the Apple Store. In the past, I've tried pre-ordering from places like Best Buy, but I won't go into it, guys, but the Apple Store is definitely the way to go for it. So yeah, guys, make sure the Apple Store is downloaded on your phone, and it is different from the App Store. So once it's downloaded, open it up. And you guys see right here, we have some info about the XS. Now, you can't pre-order it yet, but you can do some steps first. Now, first, click on your profile. And make sure this stuff, the primary shipping and the primary payment are correct. Because you definitely do not want to be editing this stuff at 3 a.m. So, you guys, just go into that, make sure it's good. And then right here, you guys see we can view the pricing for the XS or the XR. So, click on the XS. Now choose your model, either the XS or the XS Max. And the XS actually looks exactly the same as this. This is the 10. While the XS Max is larger and it's also $100 more expensive. So I'm going to go with the XS Max. Now from here you can either choose your carrier or click on SIM free. I'm just going to do SIM free for it. Now there's 3 colors. There's silver, space gray, which is this color, or gold. Now gold is expected to be the most popular one, so I'll go with the gold. And then choose your capacity. So the 512 is extremely expensive. I'll just go with the 64. Now from here you have a lot of options, either for warranty if you want to trade in an iPhone, stuff like that. But you cannot add it to the bag yet. So starting at midnight, you can press this button right there. Finally, the last step for now is you're going to want to press right there. Just press the heart to favorite it. And then go back. And click on your profile. Now you guys see that the favorite item is right there. So once it's midnight, click on it, and then just press add to bag. So yeah guys, pretty simple. Hopefully the video helped out. Alright guys, so I would recommend right now just setting your alarm so you don't forget about it. But that aside, thanks for watching, subscribe for more. And let me know in the comment section below if you have any questions about it.